In this video, I'll show you how to add user roles in BASE44. First, open your web browser, go to the BASE44 website, and sign into your account. Then open the app where you want to create different user roles. Next, make sure your app already has user authentication enabled. User roles work with authenticated accounts, so users need to be able to sign in before you assign permissions. Now, open the AI Builder or chat and describe the roles you want to create. For example, you can ask BASE44 to create admin, manager, and user roles. Explain what each role should be allowed to do, such as managing users, editing content, viewing reports, or accessing specific pages. After that, let BASE44 generate the role-based access system. It can update your database, assign roles to users, and protect pages or features based on each user's permissions. Review the generated implementation and make any adjustments if needed. Finally, test your application by signing in with different user accounts. Verify that each role only has access to the features and pages you intended. Once everything is working correctly, publish the latest version of your app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add user roles in BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.